My name is Mike Fountain. I'm from Nassau, Bahamas. Well, I did the initial training of 3 years ago, 2015, and man, it was phenomenal. And then I've been seeing the buzz about the ceramic coating, and nobody's doing it in the Bahamas. So I want to be the first person to do it. So I just took the opportunity. And I reached out to Ryan. He's like, "Hey, I'm teaching the class," because I've been asking him questions on how to apply it, and he's like, "Why don't you come to the class?" So I'm here. You know, we have a lot of persons in the Bahamas, especially women, believe it or not, that really love their cars. And they always ask, what do I need to do to, because we have some bad roads and, they're concerned about, the wear and tear of their cars. And just reading up on the ceramic coating, it can help maintain and keep the longevity of your car. So yeah, this will excel my business to, hey, where it needs to be.